Hey, it's Reece's Shred Lab, and this is the story of how I designed the Quick Click leash. Alright, so I'm here in Mauritius. I'm standing in front of One Eye, which is a massive left-hander barreling reef break. It's epic for kiteboarding, super fast wave. The end section is super fun for surfing, and the water is basically bath water.
Trippin', now I'm blue, mega man. I can't win for losing cause I got too many haters, man. Used to be the paper boy, grew up now I'm mega man. Player 1, player 2, show your ass what players do. Up, down, left, right, hit on with a stronger time. Yeah, I smoke the strongest back. Tell me what is wrong with that. More coins in the laundromat, you can't help but honor that. Jam man, mega man, more games than the Sega man. All I smoke is chronic, run my coins just like I'm Sonic. From the hood, I speak Ebonics. That in economics, shorty, we can link like Zelda. That broke, then you a failure. Stack your money up like Tetris.
So the new ankle cuff that I made, it actually worked pretty well, except for a few things. One, it was extremely painful every time I wiped out because there's no padding on it. And also, it just kind of took a little bit too long to put on. I don't think I'm gonna keep going with this idea. So maybe I'm gonna go back to just a standard Velcro cuff. Single-handed reconnect system worked really well. It's like super easy to use. I was riding full speed and I was able to put the leash line into the ankle cuff. There was only one problem with it, and that's when it gets pulled on too hard, it actually bends the pin out of position and it false ejects. So I have to figure out a way to prevent the pin from bending backwards, which I think I've already done. So that should be an easy fix.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Okay, so I've been testing different versions of the ankle leash for the past few months now at home, and I've fixed most of the old problems that I had with the previous version, problems that I came up with in Mauritius, but I've created a couple of other ones. So to fix the leash from false ejecting, the first thing I did was started making the hubs out of 3D printed nylon instead of TPU. The TPU was a little bit stretchy, so all of the parts were kind of bending out of place when it had load on it. So this nylon is a lot stronger, and so that helped a lot. And then the other thing I did is I added this little ledge here, and what this ledge does is it stops the pin from being allowed to bend backwards. The only problem that I'm having with this like nylon hub now is that because it's 3D printed, the base plate keeps ripping off. This is the problem I'm having. It just keeps ripping the hub straight out of the ankle cuff, but it can hold about 200 pounds before that happens.
Okay. 203 pounds.